so excited. I just can't hide it. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, sorry, I should be black.
I have to roll with it. One of the injectors is broke.
Let's see which one moves and which one doesn't.
We'll see which one moves and which one doesn't. No, they both move. It's the fact that a plastic clip, which I'm guessing is that clip, was broke off. I don't know. There's been a murder.
It's been a murder.
Oh, lovely carburetor. Kidding. I got told it were a carburetor.
That's the thing that confuses me.
What?
Ah, no.
Well, I can't believe it.
One goes in there, that's why.
Yeah, really?
So one's got a broken...
Yeah, that one's broke, I think. That one that you've got in your hand isn't broke.
This one's fine?
I think so.
Oh. You say one's got a broken tap?
No, yeah, that one. That one's fine. That one's broke.
How do you know where's the broken tap?
Because that one's still got top on.
Huh?
Because the other one's still got a top on.
Fair enough.
I like how everything's been like sourcing bolts. That's the only problem.
It's the biggest pain it has. So yeah.
Forgot you had that, pal.
I got a header stick in my pocket then. Trying to find me on keys.
There's mine on seat. Can't wait to get them wheels off and get them sprayed.
What's it say?
I said I can't wait to get them wheels off and get them sprayed. I'm doing black on front, I think, and purple on back. I just don't want to go to hoverboard, you know, like black and purple. So we'll put some yellow on there.
You could have a blue wheel.
Huh?
You could have a blue wheel just like me.
What is it with you all blue stuff? It's very, very disturbing. That's the first thing a mechanic says.
Yeah, mate, it's your front tyre what's caused it. What's deflated, what's caused you to indicators to just stop working.
Well, it's not usually that, but that's funny right there. No more thinking that it's going to cost you.
It's going to cost you that. Hey, stop up your indicator fluid.
Your blinker fluid. Do you know what? On one of my mates' MOTs, it genuinely said he had a wonky intercooler.
Wonky intercooler?
Yeah. It was my other mate that filled that in, but... What are you doing?
Popping it back out.
Finally the moment. You alright there?
Yeah. Fucking hell. Not as heavy as my V-twin.
Well, it's not going to be as heavy as your V-twin. It's not a V-twin. Shall we put it on it? Oh, we tie wrapped it, didn't we?
There's glow stick in this. Plays music.
Yep.
Oh, well, it's 10 times better now it's on rate.
Does have to be fair, mate.
Not pointing up, so might need to. Yeah, I'll let you carry on doing that. So I'll log into it.
Is it lined up on bottom, yeah?
Yeah, it just needs bolt tightening up, but I'll let you do that one and I'll tighten bolt up.
That way I check my wheel, yeah.
Yeah, that's where you check your oil. You'll have a dipstick and a...
I am a dipstick.
Yeah, you might have a dipstick, I don't know. Yeah, you got a dipstick and a sightless. Yeah.
So it didn't lose that much oil then, it looks.
No. Right.
When it had my accident, I can't put that back on there. Well, it's been a learning curve. Don't buy bikes that are in bits. Did we put it in front ways or back?
Pardon?
I'm sure we put it in front ways, didn't we?
What? Yeah, it went in from the wall.
Jesus Christ, it's got heavier.
Yeah.
Yeah. There we go. I'm sat on it and I'm now riding it. No. I can't wait till it can do it under its own steam though. Yeah, another day done. Cheers, Scoffins.
No problem. Anytime.
Wait till I'm seeing just that road.
Wind in my beard.
Wind in my beard. Do you like that film Wild
Is
Dogs?
it flocking up and down, smacking your face?
Yeah. Very good seating position, to be fair. I don't know if I want to put seat back on. Hardtail.